no stump stands a chance when technology steps in. Today, we're tackling the toughest terrain and clearing it with unstoppable power. This is Titan Tech. Let's roll. A mini digger might look small, but it's a beast when it comes to stump removal. Get under those roots, pry it loose, and suddenly that stump's out of your life and out from under your future driveway. In the world of landscaping and land clearing, stump grinding is the unsung hero. Stump boss Lilteed NZ gets in there, grinds below ground level, and leaves your site clean and ready for whatever comes next, without the eyesore or hazards of leftover stumps. When you mix stubborn roots with high explosives, you get fireworks like this. Nature didn't see that coming. Seeing an old-school log splitter working at its steady pace is like watching a mechanical symphony from decades ago. Crunching timber, the moorbark predator's steady growl, and splitter's crack make stump shredding strangely soothing. Dead ruddies might not look like much above ground, but their root systems are no joke. That's why you need the right chain and just enough truck torque. Too much, and you're dragging a crater. Too little, and it's not going anywhere. Right on point. Planning ahead is like double insurance for your well-being and your wallet. The way the Elefante 140 tackles stump removal is nothing short of impressive. With its hydraulic articulation and powerful ejector jack, it doesn't just pull out the stump, it does so with precision and control. The centering tip of the drill ensures the tool locks in exactly where it needs to, while the massive 550 millimeter crown cylinder cuts through roots like a hot knife through butter. Watching it lift the stubborn root system out of the ground is like seeing a perfectly choreographed performance in heavy machinery. This is pure next-level genius. A homemade kinetic splitter isn't just a machine. It's proof that DIY minds can turn raw physics into art. Every time those logs explode apart, it's like mechanical fireworks lighting up the workshop.
This thing's not as dangerous to operate as you might think, and it's really not. It's probably less dangerous to operate certainly than a hydraulic log splitter.
Pairing a digger with a stump grinder attachment turns a standard excavator into a stump shredding beast. When you've got a pine stump the size of a small car, nothing beats the reach and power of a Deere 270D. One bite at a time, that bucket works around the roots, loosening soil and breaking the stump's hold until it's game over. Deep in North Florida's towering pines, the Tiger Cat 2000 shear stands like a silent guardian. Perched on the 720E, it sweeps through dense timber with quiet power, sparing fuel, and shrugging off the wear that would bring disc saws to their knees. Using the John Deere 333G compact track loader to mulch diseased hazelnut trees is not only practical, but also a smart approach. The mulching head pulverizes the trees right where they stand, turning the wood into a nutrient-rich layer for the soil. This eliminates the need for cutting, hauling, and burning, a process that can be time-consuming and hazardous. It's a safer, cleaner, and more sustainable way to handle unproductive trees while promoting soil health. Root stumps tried to stand their ground, but Hamill just said, "Nope, crunch time." Trust me, once you witness its speed and power, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Transplanting large trees requires a machine that is both powerful and precise, and the Tree Spade Optimal 1400 delivers on both fronts. With a 140 centimeter root ball diameter and 90 centimeter depth, this machine can handle trees of substantial size without damaging the root system. The large working width, adjustable gate, and well-placed blades ensure a smooth operation, making it an indispensable tool for professionals in tree planting and transplantation. Nothing says weekend project like battling a stubborn stump in your side yard. The Bobcat 343 might be small, but it packs enough hydraulic muscle to turn a fierce root tangle into yesterday's news. Who needs fireworks when you've got a flaming tree being dropped like that? When you need a machine that combines power, versatility, and ease of use, the Galatrax 400 with the Pleasance equipments. Biomass Harvester is the perfect solution. This machine can navigate through difficult terrains and rough environments, handling biomass collection tasks with incredible efficiency. In a frozen battlefield, Tana Shark awakens. Roots, rocks, ice, nothing escapes its jaws. Absolutely. This ripper is the unsung hero of excavation. It might not have the flashy appearance of other attachments, but it's a masterclass in functionality. Paired with the raw power of the Kobelco SK160, it's a machine made for precision and performance. The Croco log splitter is an absolute powerhouse. It's not just about splitting wood, it dominates every piece like a croc crushing its prey. Smooth, fast, and relentless, it makes even big projects feel manageable. The JAK 400 tree shear isn't just built to cut trees, it's built to transform how you approach land management. The twin ram system offers consistent power, while the hard ox blade ensures clean, precise cuts. This shear is perfect for projects that require speed and efficiency, such as site clearing or managing small woodland areas. This wasn't a guessing game. Burned cedar with a back lean. We rigged it with 1,000 pounds tension halfway up the trunk. Didn't want to find out mid-drop how hollow it really was. Absolutely love this approach. Sometimes the old school methods are the most satisfying, especially when you're dealing with a tree that just refuses to budge. A bur oak with its massive canopy, that's no small feat. But with a bit of creative thinking and good old-fashioned leverage, you can make it happen. Oak stumps don't give up easily, but an Alpine wheel changes the game. Watching it chew through dense hardwood is like seeing a circular saw on steroids. Clean cuts, fast progress, and no mercy for stubborn roots. The VZ850D's 768 horsepower engine combined with T-blade shafts delivers precise log chipping even on massive stem wood. It is so satisfying to get that final root for the stump to roll free. And leaving some of the trunk to use as leverage really helps. I must admit though, the easiest bit is to watch someone else do it. And I am sure quite a few have watched me unearthing the more tenacious roots. Cedar, with its golden hue and ancient scent, feels like a whisper from the forest. As we journey through a Japanese woodworking factory, each cut and polish becomes a love letter to tradition. "130 horsepower and 10,000 pounds of tractor power, but it still couldn't pull that stump out. That's one tough root system." Starting off the year with a big one, clearing out forest fencing like it's no big deal. The Kobelco SK180LC11 is an absolute powerhouse. With that massive arm reach and smooth, precise control, it's built for this kind of heavy-duty work. And let's not forget the VTNMD 180 grapple. It's got the perfect grip for pulling up those stubborn fences. The combination of these two is like a tag team of destruction. Firewood prep used to be pure backache until you build or get your hands on a homemade firewood processor. It's like swapping a sledgehammer for a magic wand. long highways where shadows stretch across the timber, transporting lumber is a high-stakes dance. Don't be fooled by the clean paint job. The PME splitter is a savage beast under the hood. That 35 horsepower V-twin roars like a lion, chewing through massive logs without hesitation. The Bandit chipper is nothing short of a beast in the wood processing world. This powerhouse doesn't just chew through branches and brush. It devours them with unmatched precision and speed. When you see it in action, it's like watching a lion tear through its prey. The way the blades whirl and the material gets devoured in seconds is truly a sight to behold. Turn yard waste into valuable mulch with the Dissy 4-inch PTO chipper. Clean, green, and efficient. Under the canopy of towering trees, the winch growls and the cable tightens like a coiled serpent. Wow, what an adventure! Tell us your favorite part down below. Hit like and join the crew by subscribing. More epic moments are on the way. See you soon.